Oh, do you want to try my glasses on?
Sure. Oh my god, so cool.
Oh, why do you look so cool?
Oh, thanks to your glasses, I guess.
Yeah, we're so cool.
Hi, I'm Jiajun, and I'm going to Russia tomorrow. Hope I'll be good and wish me luck. Also, I live in Amsterdam, but I don't do drug. It's nice to meet you guys.
Anyway, guys, we got some matcha today. I got the matcha brown sugar milk. What do you have?
I got the strawberry.
Matcha strawberry milk.
Matcha strawberry milk with oat milk, and it's warm, which is very important.
Mine is cold. Guys, I'm back home from my little hangout with my friend. Our hangout was really nice. We were just like walking around the town. We walked by the sea. We got some matcha, and he told me that the matcha cafe was like really good. The matcha was really good. He's gonna leave tomorrow for like 10 days, 11 days, something like that. And then he'll come back to Estonia, and we will just probably hang out again, and we're gonna set a plan of like things to see, things to do here, because today we were just like, you know, wandering around with no specific plan. It was also my first time seeing him like in real life. That was also nice. Like, I'm really meeting like new people this year, which is really good, because I made like a promise to myself at the start of the year that I'm gonna make new friends and I'm gonna meet new people. I'm gonna, you know, socialize more. So far I've been doing that, which is really good. I might go outside again tomorrow. I probably will, because I don't want to be at home. I mean, I don't want to, you know, like rot in bed or anything, so I'm probably gonna make some plans with somebody. Yesterday I was also meeting a new person, and again, I had a really good time. Hope he did too. Like, this is your sign to go out there, meet new people, make some new friends. It's amazing. I feel really fulfilled. Also, it was so cold today. Like, I wish it was warmer. The weather probably will be better and warmer and nicer by the time he comes back to Estonia. So that's really good. I had a lot of fun. We had a lot of like same interests, same mindset. You know, it just feels refreshing to talk about like different topics that you're passionate about with somebody else who is also passionate about them, which is really, really nice. Anyway guys, we are going to my grandma's place today for a few hours because it's her birthday today. And then also when we get back from my grandma's place, I'm gonna go hang out with Emily. We're not quite sure what we're gonna do yet. All that we know is that we're gonna meet up, go somewhere, eat something, and chat a lot because we haven't seen each other in such a long time. This is the look of the day. Should I put these glasses on? I look kind of cute with those. Okay, I'm gonna leave these on.
Saaksitte Vallo juures, hopuste juures käia, vaadata. Eikö tuu sandwich? Joo.
Anyway guys, I'm back home and I'm about to make some banana pancakes because my mom wanted them, so I'm making them for her. I'm gonna have to use these bananas because they're like really ripe and I have to use them today or they'll just go bad. Look at how ripe they are. Hello guys, welcome to this portion of the vlog where I'm gonna do a little haul for you. I'm also using a microphone that I bought from Amazon and it should be working. If not, I'm gonna crash out. Anyway, I recently ordered 2 dresses for summer. One is for a gala. I'm gonna attend the gala. That's crazy. It's just like the work related gala. It's not anything special, but it's still a gala. It's still an event, which is kind of crazy. I was also able to go last year, but I didn't because I didn't want to. And this time my coworker was like, you should come this time. Like, let's go, let's go. Like, it would be fun. I was like, okay, fine. I'll come with you. So we're going to the gala now. These dresses are from Murci. I've already taken them out of the package and I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you. And I'm so excited to try them on because I haven't yet. So we're gonna try them on with you guys. First of all, we have this red dress. This kind of long dress. I'm really excited to try it on. It's a little scandalous. Like, I also asked my boss if like I could wear this because like I felt like being at a work event and being scandalous is like not accepted, but like he was like, yeah, you should wear this, like it's a really cool dress, you should wear this. I was like, won't it be too scandalous? I'm gonna go and try it on now. So this is the dress. This is the back of the dress. It is very pretty, but I feel like my boobs are gonna fall out, which is why I need to buy the boob tape or whatever plus pasties, and then I'll be good, I think. Don't mind my pink socks, but this is like the bottom part. It's really really pretty. I like it, but yeah, it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable when I'm like always thinking about like my boobs falling out. And I think I rated a 9 out of 10 because it's perfect. It really hugs your body and it's just really pretty, like the ruffles and all perfect. I love that in a dress. This is dress number 2. We're gonna try it on now. I'm excited for this suit. It's a little bit shorter. I mean, it is a shorter dress, but like the ruffles make it seem like it's long. We're gonna go try it on now. Anyway, this is the second dress. It feels a lot tighter than the second one was, which is good because now I don't have a fear of my boobs falling out. Like they're really secured in this one. Really cute. I really like the pattern, you know, the print. The only thing that I don't really like, or I didn't like really expect, is that this like the base color will be like really close to my skin color, which kind of makes me seem like I don't wear anything if you would see me like from far away. This is the end of the haul. For now, I'm gonna live in these dresses now.